Let's look at this question. Okay, it is like half a circle. The radius is 10 millimeter and there is small door here, 20 millimeter by 30 millimeter. There's another door here, 20 millimeter by 30 millimeter. And of course, y-axis is that way, and this, you can see that there is a symmetrical. If you cut it here, a symmetrical between this point and this point. But here, in the y-axis, if you cut it from here, it is not symmetrical. So there is no x bars. The x bar is similar, it's equal to 0 because that's at the center. Y bar, we have to find. So calculate the centroid y bar of the geometry with respect to its base. So let's break the geometry into simple shapes and label them. We're gonna do it as, one half circle, one, small rectangular, one full half circle, 2 and 3. And we will construct the table and we will assume, listen to this here, this is all solid. These are doors, these are opening. So here it's an opening and this is the whole solid. So to take the whole solid, and this one has to be negative because this is an opening, it's not solid and this is not solid. So we'll take negative area 2 and negative area 2 because it's an opening, and one is the full one. So let's take the full half circle. Remember the circle, half a circle, by r square over 2. This is half a circle. Full circle is by r square. So what is the radius? Is 100 square. Remember the radius here? It's 100. So r square is 100 square. So by 100 square over 2. The area here is 15707.96. That's in millimeters square because it's r square, so it's going to be millimeters square. Now the other one, it's negative because it's an opening. It's not solid. So it is, as we said, it's 30 times 20. 30 times 20 is 600. So, and it is a minus since it's an opening. Same thing for the other one, 3 is minus 600. Now, let's find Ly bar for the first one. Again, for a shape like this, half a circle, the y bar is 4r over 3 pi. This is the y bar for half a circle. It's going to go up, it's 4r over 3 pi. So what was r? 100. So 4 times r. You don't have to memorize this. I think the teacher will give it to you. 4r over 3 pi, that's a centroid of a half a circle. 4 times 100, this is the radius, over 3 pi, this is 42.44. What is the centroid of a rectangular? That's very simple. Just go and look. It is from this base, so it is going from here to here, so it's 20 over 2, that's 10. So 20 over 2 is 10, and the same thing for the other one, it's the same shape, but here's positive. This is the area is negative because it's open. So you multiply area times y bar, it's going to give you 666.67. That is millimeter cube. Multiplying area times y bar. Same thing here, minus 600 times 10, that's minus 6,000. Same thing here. Now we add up all area times y bar, and that is 6,666.67 millimeter cube divided by the total area. You sum up all the areas, you'll end up with 14,507.96 millimeters square. So y bar is by dividing this over this, and this would give you the centroid. This would give you the centroid. Y bar is equal this over this, you'll get 45.12. So millimeter, of course, y bar is in millimeter, 45.12, which means the centroid of this shape is 45, and this is 100, so it's almost in this shape, 45.12.